Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today I'm going to show you this hands-free and low noise hair dryer for pets, thanks to PETIE TEC. And it's not like a normal hair dryer, it's much better. She's Candy, my Coton de Tulear. Welcome to subscribe if you are new in our channel today. This is the box where the hands-free dryer comes. They come well packaged. It comes with the instruction booklet, very easy to understand. Please open the package together with your dogs so they can become familiar with the products or devices that you will use with them, and also play with them so they can trust each other. This is a dryer with a remote control, very lightweight, small, and easy to storage. It also comes with this kennel and also this lining for additional cage. I will open the kennel carefully. Look, it's pretty big. It has a mesh door and windows at both sides. The mesh door closes like this. I invite Candy to get inside, and I reward her good behavior with some cookies. And I put her favorite toy with her inside. And if you see, she's totally happy and curious inside. Now I will open the plastic lining for the cage, and please look at the video on the screen so you know how to use it. It's very easy. You can use the dryer with the kennel and in the cage. Now we are going to plug in the dryer, and I will place it inside the kennel. We turned on, and with the first button you select from 15 minutes to 1 hour, and it turns off automatically. With the other button, you adjust how hot, warm, or cold you prefer the air. The air comes out on one side, and the other is the fan. I invite Candy to come in, and as you can see, she's alert, curious, and a little nervous. And it's completely normal. They are dogs. We are closing the mesh door, and I will leave my pup inside for a while. And I will reward her good behavior with a cuddles. When your dog is ready for a full bath and you decide use this dryer for the first time, do it. Only you will know when he's ready. Here the temperature has dropped these days, and it's not possible for me to bath Candy. So I only wash her face, and you can see how his dryer works. I will leave you the original audio so you can listen to how soft the sound is. All PETIE TEC information and a special discount for you will be below in the description of this video. And this is the final result. My pup is so fluffy and beautiful. I really love this hair dryer. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week. Thumbs up and follow me on my social media. Bye!